Hello student, again by studying this video we are going to again understand basic ideas about time series analysis. So we'll try to go through various points about time series analysis through these videos, through this new material, and we'll try to know many things about time series analysis. So we know that planning about future is very necessary for the business, for every business, from every government institute, every individual, and for every country. Every family is also doing planning for his income expenditure, as like every business is doing planning for possibilities of its financial resources and sales and for maximizing its profit. Definition is that a time series is a set of observations taken at specified times, usually at equal intervals. A time series may be defined as a collection of reading belongings to different time periods of some economic or composite variable. The time series establishes relation between cause and effects. So time series establish relation between cause and effects. One variable is time, which is independent variable, and second is data, which is dependent variable. So here you can see we can explain it from the following example, where you can see these are the days and these are number of packets of milk sold, and also this is the year. This is different data. Population in years are mentioned here in million. From example 1, it's clear that sale of milk packet is decreased from Monday to Friday, and then it start to increase on the weekend. And again, same thing in example 2, the population is continuously increasing throughout that years. Again, as the basis of time series analysis, businessmen can predict about the change in economy. There are following points which clear about its importance, like profit of experience, or like safety from future, or like utility studies, sales forecasting, budgetary analysis, stock market analysis, in projections, purchasing quality control, inventory studies, economic forecasting, risk analysis, and inflation census analysis are like that. There are various things which are very important in case of any business. Composition of time series, components of time series. The signs which are being in the time series, they are affected by economic, social, natural, industrial, and political regions. These regions are called components of time series, like secular trend, seasonal variation, cyclical variations, or irregular variation. For like secular trend, that increase or decrease in movements of a time series is called secular trend. A time series that may show upward trend or downward trend for a period of years, and this may be due to factors like increase in population or change in technological progresses or large scale shift in consumer demands that might happen, and due to that which the upward trend or downward trend can be seen, or movements can be seen in a time series which might be secular. Population increases over a period of time, price increases over a period of years, production of goods on the capital market of the country increases over a period of years. These are the examples of upward trend. And also there might be other trends which might cause downward trend, like the sales of a commodity may decrease over a period of time because of better products coming to the market. This is an example of declining trend or downward trend. Again, there might be seasonal variation. Seasonal variations are short-term fluctuation in a time series which occur periodically in a year. This continues to repeat year after year, and there might be lots of factors which create this type of seasonal variations. The major factors that are weather conditions and customs of people. More woolen clothes are sold in winter than in the season of summer. Each year, more ice creams are sold in summer and very little in winter season. The sales in the departmental stores are more during festive seasons than in the normal days. So these are actually seasonal variations due to some specific events in the year. So again, there might be some other variation like cyclical variations. Cyclical variations are recurrent upward and or downward movements in a time series, but the period of cycle is greater than a year. So period of the cycle might be greater than a year. Also, these variations are not regular and also not as seasonal variations. So a business cycle showing these oscillatory movements has to pass through four phases: prosperity. Four phases. Those four phases are prosperity, recession, depression, and recovery. So 4 point, these four phases in a business cycle, that is prosperity, which is actually going upward, recession is going downward, depression is will be called as at that point where it is going at very bottom of the cycle, and recovery means it's coming from depression to prosperity. In a business, these four phases are completed by passing one to another in this order. So there will be no jumping from one state to another state or one phase to another phase. There may be another variations in the time series like irregular variations. So irregular variations are fluctuation in time series that are short in duration, erratic in nature, and follow no irregularity in the concurrence pattern. These variations are also referred to as residual variations, since by definitions they represent what is left out in the time series after trend, cyclical, and seasonal variations. So irregular fluctuations result due to occurrence of unforeseen events like suppose floods, earthquakes, wars, famines. So there will be lots of other events which are irregular in nature, so due to which also market or business trends might be changed, which you cannot predict as like trend or as like cyclical or as like seasonal variations. So here we can see in case of time series model, we can go for addition model that is y equal to t plus s plus c plus I, where y equal to original data, t equal to trend value, s equal to the seasonal fluctuation, c equal to cyclical fluctuation, and I is equal to irregular values or irregular variation. And multiplication model is that y equal to t into s into c into I, or you can say tsci. Measurement of secular trend. If you want to go for measure the secular trend in a data in a time series, you can follow these methods which are used in general for calculation of trend. So like freehand curve method or semi-average method or moving average method or least square method. So here we'll start with these examples of finding the measurement of secular trend and other trend also. So I'll start these ones from the next class onwards. So please try to go through this context once for your benefit, and I will complete the other things in next video onwards. Try to complete it within 2 or 3 videos, or if you require more, then we can gather some more materials about time series analysis. So if you want to add more things also, you can let me know, we can give it on the video. So that's it. Thank you.